The first step is to open a Google Sheet, and click the first cell to create a header. In this case, click cell A1. Type card title. Click into cell B1, and type start date. Click into cell C1, and type end date. Click into cell D1, and type card detail. Click into cell E1, and type duration. Click into the top of column B to select the whole column. With that column selected, click Format. Hover over the number menu to reveal the type of number formats. Click Date. Click into the top of column C to select the whole column. With that column selected, click Format. Hover over the number menu to reveal the type of number formats. Click Date. After adding your data, enter the amount of time, either as a number of days, or in hours, minutes, seconds format, HH:MM:SS. In this example, each duration is 365 days. Select the area with which you want to create your timeline. With the first cell of your data selected, drag the dot in the cell outlines corner. And drop into the cell with the end of your data. With your data selected, click Insert. Click Timeline. Since you already selected your range, use the Select Your Data range to confirm you have included all of the data you want to use. Click OK. Your sheets now have a second tab with your timeline in it. Your original data is still in Sheet 1. That's it, you're done.